Hello there, I'm Yvonne DeCellis, coming to you today on my channel to do a really quick energy healing exercise. I've had some requests for this one, and I have to be honest, kind of felt like I needed it myself over the past few days. Things have been a little rough. I'm feeling a little discombobulated, I guess is how you would put it. So this is one that I find kind of helpful, but just to give you a quick warning on this one, there's one point where I'm going to have you cradle your face like this. One thing I've heard about that is a lot of people have told me, not a lot, but a few people have told me that it made them cry and they weren't really sure what they were crying over. And I believe that happens because, according to Donna Eden and her daughters, this taps into your penetrative flow, which means it goes in and brings up really deep pent up feelings. So I just wanted to warn you, it does work though. Just don't let yourself sit in this mode for too long. If you feel yourself crying and it's out of control or something, when you're ready, just look up and move your head out of your hands, and hopefully it will clear up somewhat. So also helpful breathing for this one is breathe in through the nose if possible, out through the mouth. If you want to keep it completely nasal or oral, that's up to you. The most important thing about breathing for energy healing is to keep your tongue at the roof of your mouth whenever you're inhaling. When you're exhaling, you can let your tongue drop. And also when you breathe in, rise, and when you exhale, let yourself sink. So all that said, here's the exercise. Rub your hands together. You want to get them nice and warm. Generally, you want to do this for a while, actually. I usually do it for about 30 seconds. Just get them nice and warmed up. And then when you're ready, you're going to want to cup your face. And again, if this feels bad, if it makes you feel sad or something, don't stay in this position long. Just hold it just for a moment. Breathe in. And then on the out breath, bring your middle fingers together at the very top of your nose and press in hard. And then drag up your forehead and go up to your hairline. And again, you're digging in and going up hard with the fingers up to the hairline. When you get to the hairline, you want to stop. Just hold it at the hairline for a moment. This is a good spot. I believe she said this was on Triple Warmer. I'm not sure exactly where, but I think that's what she had mentioned. And then when you are ready, bring your fingers together in the center of your forehead. Press in and go out to the temples. And this is also on the Triple Warmer Meridian, so this is a good spot to just hold on to for a moment. And then when you are ready, just slide your hands down to your heart chakra. And I believe Donna said this is you coming home to yourself. So this is a good spot to leave it at if you wish. Or, as I often do, you can add the Triple Warmer rub to the very end of it. And if you wish to do that, breathe in, breathe out, slide your hands up like you're going for your neck basically, but you just want them up at the top of your torso. And then slide them down all the way to the tips of your fingers, and then slide back up. Go up the back of your neck, and on both sides, go up the back of your neck, behind your ear, and just bring your fingers up way up high. And then you can go back down the back of the neck if you wish, and you can just keep doing the same move over and over if you wish. If this gives you a temperature shift or a pressure shift, it's working. If you don't feel anything when you do this, it's not necessary to do it, but that is a Triple Warmer rub to hopefully help sedate your Triple Warmer. Anyway, I hope that was helpful. Please let me know in the comments down below. Also, I always do this last but not least. I need to remember to say this in the beginning. If you're new to my channel, hello, and it's really nice to meet you, and I hope you will be back. And if you're not new, I hope you're subscribed. If you're not, it's not the end of the world, but I wish you would subscribe if you're not. Anyway, for the people who have subscribed to me, and for all of you, you've really helped me. I got my channel monetized a few months ago, and it's wonderful. It'll be helpful. Anyway, someone's calling me, and I also have to go. So I once again really hope that was helpful. I'll do my best to caption it and everything when I can, but I do want to put this up as soon as I possibly can. I don't think I'm doing a live tonight, sorry. But as always, it's very, very nice to be able to help you if I could. Please, once again, let me know if I did. I really hope I could, and also share this if it did. Thanks so much for your time, and again for listening to me babble. Peace and light. I'm sending Reiki energy your way right now. Take care of yourselves. Oh yes, and I am doing it with my crystal. My crystal and I are sending Reiki your way right now. Anyway, peace and light. Namaste. Thank you as always for your time. And by the way, hope I was audible. I need a new speaker solution. I will caption this as soon as I can. Cheers. Bye-bye.